Okay guys, we're having a look at 5-month-old Oakley von Prufenpuden. She's a superstar in development here. She's got an absolutely tenacious attitude with phenomenal follow through. Want to really capture this girl here because she'll be teething very soon. And when she does, we're going to be taking a break from the bite work and doubling down on some of the obedience vernacular while Mother Nature's giving her adult teeth to work with. But I really wanted to capture this because it just shows her attitude, her calmness, and her intensity. See, she's very calm, like I was just saying there, but as you saw in the beginning of this video, super intense and amazing pursuit work this dog has. Loving everything about what I see in this girl. She's coming along very, very, very well. Good. And she's got a champion's heart. So that's a look at 5-month-old Oakley von Prufenpuden. When you see her with adult teeth, boy, she's going to be rocking it out.